Namatata, my country people, I did throw a big salute for outside day. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. 3 o'clock as I been Sabina, I would always come for Bruna 102 head talk for talk about how country edi waka. This weekend, bad news, good news for some people, good news for some other one. Every day. We will check out a story talk about Palava Afanindi for Franklin, prophet for kingship ministry, and big Oga for that side way. They don't put it don't go down 6 feet. Some people really believe how man of God, if he die like a fowl, no even ask me how fowl die. They bury like a fowl. They don't even put it for inside coffin. We will take una go for inside Douala 4 municipality for showing how Kitu be do before they bury, how they do for moving for inside a horse. During long. They will also talk Takara head talk where he come for that side for Douala 4 municipality for talk about Dr. Formondang Richard Fru, a behold big dungamen for tell concurrency. At last, I don't do my own. What he do am? Coronin 20, Convi bitters, Motras, and hand sanitizer. 4 products the way we call to represent show and say 9 days. I don't go do my own research for Palava this coronavirus. I don't come for Toru and say na this. So go take una. Then even land for Yaounde for talk about some 20 years old Gonderi. We what it be plenty for I this weekend after we born 4 picking for Central Wasapita for Yaounde. They 4 picking them. They start dying like Shina. Like Shina bed food don't cash them. Why did picking they die? Oh boy. We now go Sabiam today too, then Masarolan to go take one or two for go for that side for Kribi, for Chakara head talk, for talk about how bar owners and for Kribi. Oh boy, they don't turn. Give them big casting how they get for operate with this issue where they say me people not be from place, me all mama well lock nose for sure for bar and restaurant. How that one it be possible? Security meeting it be hold for that side might control me. Nakugo Saman, Roland. Now the press button for Simon and Sima eye. As I come back, we will enter inside to the proper. Make we start for Chakara Tori this afternoon, my good people. For Chakara Tori talk about how country Edi Wakabe this afternoon. We go Chakara Head talk for talk about the one way believers for Bible, no be all. They didn't still believe. 39 years old Afanindi for Franklin is solo a birth certificate for Saturday this weekend. How he die? Other man go say he die like a fowl. No ask me how fowl die. Rolando, take me go for inside Douala 4 municipality. Start from the beginning around 12:30 to 1. Time where the whole cinema, as we will call them, it start. Now that time this, time we one reach for that side with camera, for look waiting they happen. We met up na ambulance with medical call. Where it don't come medical call for Palava COVID-19. It don't come block baby line. Say they want cops for Oga Franklin. Family member they say no, wallahi talai, he never die. They therefore knock a small prayer and he don't just cover his eye in his sleep and he go wake up. Now Prophet Frank a house that as Nigerian for that green roof for that side so it is so all now only medical personnel them they struggle for do all things for saving family. If it turn show them whether now waiting they happen no we not been sabi how governor it do sabi say it is so Oga Franklin again now the one where they turn and say convict 19. But family member say wallahi talai. Say they talk now about food poisoning because as he come back from work away be worker, he been being crazy. Oh my belly, oh my belly, oh my belly, oh my belly. Another belly way he cover eye, he see cry, palava belly. When it happen, normally no been sabi. Governor people, they land for that side, convict 19 people them, they land struggle for enter company, they say, wallahi talai. State council they become, can kitu they be there for that side, oh boy, oh man, he only chakara would only in a big prayer, they say, no, some men of God, they come from this side to really only come on left and right, so they say, no, he never die, but that's what they, all man be just been a confusion, no confusion. Wait till it happen, then they disinfect area, spray dog them, all man, he really understand. No man, you don't want to go back because no man, all man, if you want to know, palava, how it go end. Who be actor, who be chef and for inside and dungamen. The chakara to from that 1 o'clock, suite evening time. Kind, or Thursday they come, he go. He come, he go. Waiting they happen, they didn't give no head talk. No man in the talk for press. Even family by them, no man in the chakara to the first time the ambulance enter inside house. They waited no make it come out with the whether die body or now you wait they alive, me they carry and go to our hospital. They want to see ambulance, it come out empty. It stand up again for outside. They lock gates. People say, wallahi talai, shows the prophet never died. They say yes. Now so when family member them, Christian them, where they will come, to block all man as them see they will pull on no rope. They stand like a prayer. Nage prayer, sute. Oh boy. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock for evening, there is also knock prayer. They get hope. Say, Oga Prophet Frank, he go come out talk and say, when I go back for house, all thing, he dey ponke. Then wait, sute, to no avail. Then when 6 o'clock, it start to be knocked. Now that time where they start see mommy water them, where they come with this motor in this place catching water, they start getting reinforcement for Kitu them for that side. They come plenty for that side as they say for each email run go for before move tonton make control and see how Kitu them the tonton start add plenty. Christian and two they start tonton they add for that side for Chakara hill top even pastor for that side all man be tonton be confused. They say even they say wrong camp for can't know what did happen. They don't even give them access. Me they go for inside you see any man did not prayer scatter prayer what could line for what Papa God bring it back when thing happen. Any man knock prayer so te long line be there for that side all man is the only sing that song they pray hope say this so Oga Franklin before he got tonton woke up can't tell them they go back for house as how it began on Saturday and church service began for whole for Sunday morning as they say any man for your own angle it is Chakara head talk. See all man the one that say the one who can't Kitu sem no grace sem me they even go down go Chakara prayer for until the pie head. What a power woke up oh you know woke up no man you know be sabi. Who sabi to the pastor inside about 30 family members go some pastor them they be the inside house. But no man no be fit come out for can't tell person that thing that don't happen. After the only head Congo Sawe come over and say make Kitu then go back, make Otos then go back. Say now only tomorrow we go carry calls for go time out. So people say so true pardon die. Oh but can't pray believe that I know it no be easy. If prayer man prophet die they not pray woke up no Prophet Frank you know for corner Kotobas. Because here Kotobas na neighbor. But thing when you find for Kotobas that say they put Kotobas inside a coffin. They put Kotobas they build arrange the place. But Oga Prophet Frank, he enter for ground without coffin. Yes, they bury without coffin around 7 something. It not be easy at all. You said they block long line. Now they Tory people where they give them a small chance. Say when I take him, but when I not enter for his house. You see time Mami Water come? Time when Mami Water a land. People start when I say, now war. Now war. All man in lock all man in lock. Now when thing happen, no man, you know me sabi. Mami Water enter, he position himself, put hands for down. All man say, we will only see how this film it go end. Yeah? Now family that the only time they hear Mami Water they come. Wing they come out stand for a tie, they say wallahi talai. Una the craze, una no go take that body wallahi talai. You know come out. Then 5:30, that time we Kitu they start wearing medical clothes. Like time when COVID-19 patient they was on place, they start wearing that clothes, all they start lock their skin, they take on them. We only see the cinema. Now so it passed, my brother. Me no wonder you. Now the true story be this. One time, they wear their clothes, people they be there on top a tie. For a situation going to happen for inside house, oh boy, they tell them, say, wanna go down. They don't want to see no neighbor me give eye for situation they part. They say go away, they drive people. Then after Mami Water, he position himself ready to fire. You see that up and don't start making dark no? Please don't begin cover eye. One time, they send ambulance again for inside. They go argue inside. They say family by they say they don't go see the cop, they don't lock the door. Put key for inside pocket. Our knock, they call reinforcement. Jamie come, army gendarme, they come again plenty. They lock the whole quarter. Put a line for security. Then they drive all man say, "Una go, any man go any side." People business penetration. Una long una business. Today business don't close. 5:30 when I do it. Any man go back for horse. Eh? Can Kitu. All people be sharing for that side. That Saturday, as they talk for Palava this cinema, we all man in Rwanda for that side. Plus, he want to turn cover eye. The medical team he enter. After again, he come out. Say family don't deny. Oh boy. Now that time we Kitu then now the add plan to see. Now then this all man will be in his house. When all man be expect say all the family members so they come out so they even both knocks on one them. Say why would I deny for something go now you don't know what they happen. One time they send all them for outside. In a COVID-19 patient, it's going to go send all family members for outside. They don't go quarantine them. They send all them for inside population. 12 scathingitis water. One time, I con people. Now for the way, it not even make 15 to 20 minutes. They only see Kitu them with auto. They come out back. They say they come out. Well, one time, they see ambulance too. It should hit. For outside, we should say, die body to true. Now that time, they confirm say, wallahi tala. So, Oga Prophet Fra, he don't sleep tell like a ruler. He don't sleep straight like ruler. Now ambulance that. We carry. New one another kind 7:45 to 7 o'clock. 6:45 to 7 o'clock. Direct. You see them? They don't put it inside coffin. Direct. So now that side they come and say cimetière Kotobas. Oh boy. You want to see Kitu? You want to see Kitu or you want to see Monto for Kitu? It is all police and gendarme motor for inside the other for municipality. They even call and form and they come in from other area. All they be there AC or all man it be there for inside for that side. They continue contact for Sibek for that side for see how na so way motor road be na direct for cimetière Kotobas. No one pastor, he no knock prayer for saving man of God. He go 6 feet for God see ancestor them. No one family member. He don't even see how they put it for underground. You see, I tell the convoy it be strong. Direct, as when I take when I took Koro eye for serious film where they can't finish more time. The one for machine ride for roundabout. Now for symmetry, this time they for symmetry. To report them, they say no, we're not for us side. Una correct. Una correct. One time, they carry go to a cemetery. Now, military put them, they don't prepare, didn't go wrong. One time, they put it for that side. Then they turn and say, now COVID-19 patient. Pastor them and family members, then they say, wallahi, ta'ala, man of God, he no die in a convict. He no die in a convict. But, authorities say, when we see people they wear wawa clothes, they disinfect any area, it means in a COVID-19. Official story. Roland, President we see what happened yesterday for Kingship Ministry International for inside the other 4 municipality. But we first pass for cemetery. Now for if you want to go for cimetière Kotobas, if you want to go say, no, been a